the way you get them, just like, you know, if a brand new person on Instagram gets 1 million likes or 100,000, this is like, all right, you bought your likes. And the engagement is really low. And search engines are able to tell similar things when it comes to links. The way you get them is by creating amazing content and pushing it out there on the social web, telling people about it. And what you'll find is some of those people who see it will link to you. Another way you can get them that's really easy is every time I link out to someone from my website, I let them know that I mentioned them and I ask them to share the content on the social web. They're usually like, yeah, sure, you mentioned me, you plugged me, why not? And sometimes they have big followings, more people see it, some of those may link. Or another way is I may look for other popular articles in my space based off of social shares. You can use Ubersuggest to do that for free. It's the Content Ideas Report. And then what you would want to do is look at that content, hit up the people who share that content, ask them to share yours. Or if their content's very data rich, you can create an infographic using tools like Infogram or Canva and make a nice visual out of it. Put it on your website, sort the original source and give them credit, and email all the people who link to them and ask them, hey, would you mind linking to me? Here's a visual. It'll make it easier to understand for your audience.